DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Trump media stock sitting at $23.64, 1.4% down for the day. What I'm going to do is just briefly show you the weekly chart and how it looks like. I mean, hypothetically, fundamentally, we're all coming down from some of this demand area here, which we genuinely just previously took off. This was... Nah, my bad. Wrong. Do I have anything on DJT? No, I don't. But yeah, like if the price gave me like a double break on the daily chart, then this is going to be something that I'd really be interested in. But since it has been just going down, I mean, I'm not going to try and entertain an idea on the short side, but only really am going to be entertained if there's breaks above this level, pull down and breaks again. I mean, that's the only case in which I'll be bullish in this market right now, and these are just my 2 cents. If you want to learn the strategy for free, just check the first link in the description. See you in the next one. There's like literally nothing else to add. I'll just pretty much put it on ignore, you know, because there's nothing for me to trade here.